Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy chili. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground meat like beef or turkey for the base. Also, grab 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic, which will add a wonderful aromatic foundation. Don't forget 2 cans of diced tomatoes, about 14.5 ounces each, and 2 cans of beans, such as kidney and pinto, drained and rinsed. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by browning your 1 pound of ground meat in a large pot over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your chili from being too greasy. Next, add your chopped onion and garlic to the pot, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become soft and fragrant. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin to build that classic chili flavor. With your meat and aromatics ready, it's time to bring everything together for that rich, deep flavor. Pour in the 2 cans of diced tomatoes, including their juices, and add your drained kidney and pinto beans. Stir in 1 cup of beef or vegetable broth to achieve the perfect consistency. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your easy homemade chili is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt, pepper, or a pinch of cayenne if you like a little heat. Ladle the hot chili into bowls and customize it with your favorite toppings. Shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh chopped green onions are always fantastic choices. This chili is perfect with a side of warm cornbread or some crunchy crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.